Teach you a piriformis stretch. The piriformis is a hip rotator and it's pretty tricky sometimes. Some people do really well with the figure 4, while others do really well with pulling their knee to the opposite shoulder. So I'm going to show you a couple of variations of that you can practice, and you are going to pick the one that works the best for you. So you want to lie down. You can also do this sitting, but for this purpose, I'm going to show you lying down. So you're going to lie down and you're going to bring one knee bent and cross over your ankle. Then you're going to pull up the other ankle and focus on relaxing through this back right hip. Breathing, letting go. If you want, you can go into a 90-90 and rest your heel, my left heel, onto a surface. So that way you're not having to work as hard and you can relax there. Okay? If you can't quite get this high, you can have your foot propped up on a yoga block or resting it down on the floor. Okay? The other version of this is what I was talking about, is pulling that knee to the opposite shoulder. So I like to have this leg up to rest on to pull over, but you can also have that leg straight. And you're thinking about pulling this leg to the opposite shoulder, and you should feel the stretch in the back, in this case, the back right hip. And you're holding and breathing. Typically holding for about 30 seconds or so. And so I'll show you on the other side just for comparison. So you're going to cross over. You can put your foot on a block. You can put your leg up on a chair or a couch, or you could reach through and grab with your arms. Breathing, relaxing, holding at least 30 seconds. If you can hold up to 2 minutes, you're going to get more of a, what we call a fascial creep, the longer you hold it. But you'll also get a little weakness and inhibition the longer you hold it. So don't do that long hold before a workout, maybe after. So breathing, relaxing, and then from here, you can pull to the opposite shoulder. You can do leg down, pull to the opposite shoulder. If you had your leg up resting, you can pull to the opposite shoulder while this leg is still resting on a support surface. And you're trying to feel the stretch all in the back of your buttock and hip. Okay? I hope this exercise helps you. Enjoy.